Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will discuss about further values from RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. Here you can see that we have declared three variables here by referring the IBM official website. So once your variable declaration is done, then you can simply use RTVSYSVAL command. So just write RTVSYSVAL, then press F4, and here you can pass two parameters. First is the value which you want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where you want to hold your output. Okay, now if you want to know more about this field, then you can press F1. So once you press F1 on sysval field, then it will open this help screen for you, or you can say help window, where you will find the description of all the values. So in short, you can say that this screen will provide a description of all the values, all the possible outcome values that we can retrieve from RTVSYSVAL command. Okay, so from this screen you can find out the descriptive information of all values, and after that you can simply copy it and you can use inside your program. Okay, so these are the values that we have already covered in our previous session. So today we are going to discuss about the value which is QSCANFS. Okay, which means a scan file system. This system value specifies the integrated file system in which objects will be scanned when exit program are registered with any of the integrated file system scan related exit points. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. Okay, if I do page down, the second value is this QSCANFSCTL, which means scan file system control. This system value controls the integrated file system scanning on the system when exit program registered with new of the integrated file system scan related exit point. These controls apply to the integrated file system object in the file system covered by this QSCANFS system value. Okay, changes made to the system value take effect immediately, and you can see the scan file system control for more additional information here. Okay, now the third value we are going to discuss is QSCANPFCONS, which means IPL action on with console problem. Okay, changes made to the system value take effect after before the next IPL. So what are the possible outcome for this? 0 means the end system, 1 means continue the unattended IPL. Okay, so now we got the information. We will simply copy it here along with the variable where we want to hold the output. Likewise, we are retrieving the other two values. So after retrieving the values, we are good to print the values. So for printing, we are using sndpgmmsg. So just write sndpgmmsg and press F4. Here you can pass your variable name which you want to print. As these variables are already of type character, so we can pass it directly. Otherwise, we need to convert it to character. Now I'm compiling it, calling it. So first output is star root. Then first output is star root opnud. Then we have star none, and then we have 1. Okay, so this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system value. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.